Belemnitella was an extinct genus of belemnites within the class Cephalopoda. These marine animals were closely related to modern squids and octopuses, but unlike them, they possessed an internal skeleton. The most distinctive feature of Belemnitella was the rostrum, or guard, a solid bullet-shaped structure that enclosed the phragmocone, a chambered part of the internal shell that regulated buoyancy. The rostrum made Belemnitella an excellent swimmer, while its large eyes and long tentacles equipped with hooks indicate that it was an active predator capable of capturing small fish, crustaceans, plankton, and other soft-bodied organisms. The genus was first described in 1840 by the French naturalist Alcide Charles Victor Marie Dessalines d'Orbigny. One of its most notable species, Belemnitella americana, was described in 1830 by the American naturalist Samuel George Morton, while Belemnitella mucronata, discovered in Europe, became one of the most important biostratigraphic index fossils for the late Cretaceous. Belemnitella first appeared in the Campanian stage around 83 million years ago and persisted until the Maastrichtian stage about 66 million years ago. This genus represents one of the very last groups of belemnites to survive before their complete extinction. The extinction of Belemnitella occurred at the end of the Cretaceous during the Cretaceous-Paleogene mass extinction event, approximately 66 million years ago. The Chicxulub asteroid impact in present-day Yucatan, combined with intense volcanic activity, climate fluctuations, ocean acidification, and the collapse of marine food chains, played a decisive role in their disappearance. Belemnitella embryos were particularly vulnerable to changes in ocean chemistry, which accelerated their decline. Their possible semelparous reproductive strategy, in which adults reproduced only once before dying, may have made them especially susceptible to sudden environmental crises. Fossils of Belemnitella are widespread and abundant, especially in northern and western Europe, where they are found in the chalk deposits of Denmark, Germany, the Netherlands, Belgium, Poland, and England. In North America, Belemnitella americana is well known from Upper Cretaceous deposits along the eastern seaboard. Because of their wide distribution and abundance, Belemnitella fossils are among the most reliable markers for stratigraphic correlation in late Cretaceous marine sediments. Belemnitella played an important role in paleontology and geology. The rostra of Belemnitella americana formed the basis for the PD belemnite standard, which remains a fundamental reference for carbon and oxygen isotope studies in geochemistry and paleoclimatology. Isotopic analyses of Belemnitella fossils have provided detailed information about oceanic temperatures and climate during the late Cretaceous, revealing that average sea surface temperatures in the North Atlantic and European seas were around 18 to 20 degrees Celsius. Belemnitella mucronata, in particular, is used to define the mucronata zone, a biostratigraphic unit that is critical for subdividing and correlating Maastrichtian deposits across Europe. In cultural history, Belemnitella rostra attracted attention long before their scientific description. Their characteristic bullet-like shape led to them being called thunderbolts or devil's arrows in folklore, and in some regions of Europe during the 19th century, they were ground into powder and used in folk medicine, for example as a supposed remedy for toothache. Today, thousands of Belemnitella fossils are housed in museums across Europe and North America, serving as valuable scientific specimens and as a reminder of the diversity of life that thrived in Earth's ancient oceans. Belemnitella was not only a typical inhabitant of late Cretaceous seas, but also one of the most scientifically important fossil groups from that era. Its abundance, geographic distribution, and well-preserved rostra make it a key genus for understanding biostratigraphy, paleoclimate, ocean chemistry, and the biological consequences of the Cretaceous-Paleogene mass extinction.